Okay, I think this area is like not even half a mile, and it's considered Greenwood Village, Colorado. But I spotted this Phillips 66 station with possibly another older Ryko machine in it, so we'll go check that out too. And then I think that'll be it for today. Oh, I didn't notice it was a double left turn. Okay, got it. Car wash is back here. Door is open on this one. Oh. I'm like, this is boring. Is that a... I was trying to tell what dryer it had, because that was all I could see on Street View. I'm going to have to like straighten out and then go back in. Or I could like pull in a little bit and then back out. I think it's regular Slimline, actually. I don't know. I'm not big on these machines. This one's a bit closer to the curb, so that helps. Alright, well, still haven't been able to use my quarters. Hopefully soon. I have another short wash spree planned for next Wednesday.
Please insert payment now.
All these $17 washes are getting expensive. I didn't get that in there all the way. Come on.
Please wait. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
It does have the old light, so it might have replaced something older, but can't really see on the street view, so here goes. Might have replaced an older one, but I have no idea. Haven't seen that signage before. The auto wash custom signage. Yeah, it's a older Slimline. Having done both the older Maxx and a Maxx 5 in the same day, I think I can confirm these newer ones are a tad more aggressive. I mean, yeah, these ones just don't seem as refined as the older ones. Definitely gonna have to fix my mirrors on this. This machine doesn't have wheel scrubbers or wheel blasters. Interesting. Colorway, yep. This is a pretty wide bay, actually. Because all the chemicals and stuff are in here. Rain-X graphene. The dryers are probably going to start up when the machine's halfway through the spot freeze, so probably won't be able to get a good capture for the dryers. We'll see though. Yep. So there definitely used to be an older system in here because dryers, well, minute and 10 seconds. I would love if the dryer could blow my mirror out for me. That would be great. Great dryers as usual. I gotta fix my mirrors before I move on to the next thing. I'm gonna find food and then head out. Well, thank you all for joining me on this wash spree today. Plan to do 3. That about changed to 2. Then I decided to do 2 more without planning. But, well, there's nobody behind me, so I can flip them out here. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. And that'll be it.